Hi everyone, so we're going somewhere fun today, which I'm sure you can tell by the title of the video. You know, that's a dead giveaway.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to Clearwater Beach.
Yeah.
And this is the first time that we've actually been to the beach since moving down here last year in May. So
Yeah, it's July.
yeah, we've had plans before, they've kind of fallen through.
We never had like solid plans though. The only solid thing we sort of had was we were like, oh, we're going to go to the beach, and then we couldn't do it because they had to change Mitchell's schedule around with training and everything. So that was sort of it. And then the week after that was 4th of July. We weren't going to go to the beach on 4th of July.
Yeah, that wouldn't have been fun.
No.
It would have been crowded and a mess. We also have plans to go when we've had family here and it just hasn't happened.
Yeah.
But no, we're going this time. We have a couple of things in mind. We're going to hopefully go and sit on the beach just for a little bit. Me and Amanda, we like being in the ocean and we like being at the beach, but we're the type of people we can't just sit there all day.
No, I'm more of a pool person anyway because I don't like fish. But that's why I'm excited to go to Clearwater so I see the water.
Yeah, so that'll be good for you.
Yeah.
And then also we're hoping to have lunch at a place called Frenchie's.
Yeah, everyone says
really bad.
That's awful. Everyone says really good things about it. I was looking at Pinterest and stuff to do at Clearwater, and Frenchie's kept coming up.
Yeah.
So we're excited for that.
Yeah. So we'll show you some things along the way because I'm sure there's going to be some cool things as we go.
Yeah.
So Amanda thinks this is funny because I wanted to talk about this.
Yeah.
We just saw a sign and we missed it. And I was hoping to find another one.
We were trying to we saw the sign. We didn't miss the sign. We saw the sign. We missed taking a picture or video of it.
Yeah, and it said I-4 ends in 3/4 of a mile. And I thought, okay, maybe at the end of the mile we'll have another one, ends. Anyways, we missed it, sadly, because there was no more. But I thought it was really cool because I've never seen an end to an interstate, much less a sign that says interstate ends. So I thought that was very interesting.
It's very cool.
And I just wanted to thank you. I wanted to talk about it so I don't forget it. I saw the end of an interstate.
The end of I-4.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. I missed both signs, so good job, Amanda.
She's not good with getting signs on video at all.
Not.
Two.
The I-4 one, I wasn't supposed to get that
one. Okay, and this second one, well, not the second, well, the third sign, technically. I was like, there it is, there's another one.
I went,
and she just looked at it and I was like, okay.
Oops. Oh well. We're in Clearwater, yay.
Make a U-turn, then turn left onto Mandalay Avenue.
Parking thing, but it was $125 an hour, which wasn't bad. Maximum 5 hours. We paid $625.
To me, I feel like that's a really good price.
I think that's pretty cheap. So we're here. We're just sort of walking. It's kind of weird. It feels kind of empty here, but we're just sort of walking towards the beach now. We're gonna figure out where to go because we've never been here before.
So we found us a spot. So we're basically right where we parked, right in the middle of the circle. So if you put in Clearwater Beach in your GPS, it's going to take you to this roundabout circle. And we took a ride at the circle and literally parked at the first parking area. And we're right across from that. It's really nice.
The pier.
Yeah, so
this is the pier that they have the nightly sunset things on.
It's cool. We got a umbrella for right now.
The rentals are very expensive if you go right on the beach. I know there are companies like outside, like not directly on the beach, that will do it for a lot cheaper.
Yeah. So we did an umbrella, and umbrella after tax and all was $30.
Yeah.
So it was really expensive.
I could have just bought one at like CVS for like 20.
Yeah. So, but yes, we have an umbrella, we have blankets and all that. We might get chairs at the store in just a little bit. Yeah, we'll go out and explore in just a moment.
Yeah. I know it's broken, but like I like the design on it. Oh, it's warm. Oh my gosh.
Say it's warm? It is warm. It's really warm. What do you think?
I like it.
A lot better, a lot easier to see?
Yeah. Alright guys, it's Operation Find a Seashell for my mom.
Don't drop it in the water? Oh, I'm dropping it in the water. We're getting some big, not big, but pretty decent waves out here, which is nice.
Yeah.
Finding anything yet? No? So we've just been kind of laying out, hanging out. Earlier we walked the beach. We didn't take the camera with us, but we walked along pretty far down the shore. Then we came back and decided to lay out. We got in the water.
Yeah.
Amanda got in the water, so that was great because
Good accomplishment.
you usually don't get in the water.
No.
Or even we went up to our shoulders, so that was good. Proud of you.
Thanks.
But yeah, been just laying here, trying to get some sun.
It's so beautiful out, guys.
Yeah, it is. It's perfect. There's clouds around us, but right where we are, there's nothing. I'll show you. So here's where we are. So, absolutely nothing. There's the clouds all the way around, and over here as well, but nothing above us. What are you doing?
Dumping up my beer because it's warm.
Yeah, so we're just sitting here now, just hanging out, trying to get in the shade because we've gotten some sun. We're getting a little warm,
Yeah.
a little toasty.
Gonna go back in the water soon.
Yeah, and then hang out a little bit longer, and then we're probably gonna go grab some lunch. We brought some snacks and stuff, but like,
I might have some fruit in a little bit, and then that's probably it.
Sam, I'm not that hungry, and I kind of want to save up for where we're going. So if you guys remember the circle we were talking about earlier, it's right here in front of us. Here's Ronchon's. So we're gonna go into the Ronchon's and look around. That's cool.
Here, look the surfboards.
I like the surfboards. Part 2, the men's, or the main one. We're in the ladies' one. Oh yeah, this one's a lot better. This is more my style. tell it's really windy up here.
Yeah.
So we found the speedboat area, so we can go out and watch dolphins and get on a speedboat. It's right here. Once again, to show you where we are. Here's that circle, the roundabout that I was talking about, that leads to Clearwater. So right here, if you're coming from that direction, you take a left. It's right over here in a little bay. If you ever come and you want to do the dolphin trail, this is the start of it. So this is the dolphin structure. It's right over here, once again, show perspective. Apparently it's all up and down the beach. It's not in a nearby area, and it's 120 of them. So
200.
There might be 200, I'm not sure. So they're spread out along the way. We're not going to go find them all. We don't have the time, and we're hungry. But we wanted to look at a couple, and so whoops, here's one. I just fell. Found another one. Grab Frenchie's that. So we decided to sit inside because it's getting really hot and like we are burning up. We both got waters for right now because like we need it. So what'd you get? Well, no, we'll just show them. What is this?
It's a passport to go to all 4 of them and get their signature drinks. And then you get a free shirt once you complete them.
That's cool. What'd you get?
The original grouper sandwich. No tomato, no tartar sauce because I don't like it. And I got coconut rice with it, so he doesn't have charge. It's like an extra $1.25 or something like that. The coconut rice is amazing.
Yeah.
He doesn't like coconut.
That's good. That's really good. Now they got the Cajun grouper with just lettuce and like some of the spices and an aioli and all that good stuff, and fries. But we got coleslaw, so he's getting fries for us. Crab fries arrived. So this is what they look like. Fantastic, right?
Yeah.
So they have
Garlic aioli and snow crab.
yes, and Old Spice. No, not Old Spice.
Old Bay.
Old Bay seasoning. So we're gonna give it a try. But basically ate everything. Mine's gone. I literally ate every single bit. Man down with the hand, finish half our sandwich and the rice.
I don't know which one to try first. It's always the hardest part.
Yeah. Looks like a good one.
Oh,
That's
but
a good
see,
one.
that got like nothing. But like I'm not a big crab person, so I'm gonna make like a weird face.
Okay, well don't get too much on there. Just take the little like shreds. There you go, that's good.
That garlic aioli is good.
You like it? That was a weird face.
Delicious.
Now my turn to find a fry. There we go. So this is where we ate. It's like right over here. The beach is literally on the other side of the hotel. So really not too far away. So what did we get?
Ritas.
Yeah, so we stopped at Rita's. I've never had Rita's.
I love Ritas.
Except at home. That's Rita's, isn't it? No, that's Luigi's.
Luigi's.
I've never had Rita's. So what did you get at Rita's?
I got a mango and vanilla custard gelati.
And I got a vanilla and birthday cake custard gelati. It's really good.
So good.
So that concludes, our day here at the beach. Went to Frenchie's for lunch. We had a great time. Spent a couple hours on the beach. So fun fact, after we left the beach, we found out that we walked, we didn't enter the public access area. And we stayed not in the public access area. So,
We were at like a hotel's private beach.
yeah. Which was nice, because there's like nobody there.
But we're not supposed to be.
Yeah, so don't go where we went.
Yeah.
Right in front of that circle is the public access. which makes sense, but we really didn't know where we were going, so we're just kind of like...
And there wasn't like a sign that was like, don't go on this beach,
yeah.
you know? So we just went on.
Yeah, so, but no, it was still fun. A lot of fun. It's 2:49 now, so we've been here for what, 4 hours? Almost 5? Yeah, so it's been pretty great. We're going to head home, though. So thank you guys for watching this episode. Hopefully we'll do some more fun things in the future, so subscribe.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining us on this adventure. We hope you had as much fun watching it as we did making it. Make sure you subscribe here for more fun videos.
And don't forget to check out the previous video, which is right here. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and any other social media we have. We'll put the links below for that. Thanks again for watching.